In this video, I want to talk about goal settings because I've seen a lot of my friends ask me that, right, how do you start achieve stuff? Just set goals and stuff, you always achieve them a lot. Tragedy is the part that I set achievable goals. I set goals that I know that I'm able to achieve. Even when I want to stress myself to do things that are like crazy, like I want to do one stuff. And what I just do is that I write down these things. I journal a note. I write most of my thoughts. I write down almost all of my thoughts. Then I bring down those goals into what I need to do every single day for me to be able to achieve them. So this one strategy that I used to use. For example, let's say I want to be able to, I want to be able to save up for something, and then I need to buy something. I need to save up on something, and for me to be buy those things, I need to have money actually. So I need to actually make money to buy these things. So I need to start looking at, okay, what do I need to do right now to get money to buy whatever I want to buy. So for example, let's say I need to sell a particular product. So what kind of product should I say? Like sell me service or a digital product? Because obviously the only way to win money naturally is by selling stuff. That is sell the products or sell a service. I set out my goals, I set out my plans by every single day. What should I be doing? I want to get our clients, I want to get people to actually come into my business. After starting up a new agency, I want to get people to know that my agency is up and running. What do I need to do? I need to pitch myself to people on LinkedIn, meaning that every single day I have to write and reach out to 10 people. So these are active work I need to do to the end that I get a land clients at the end of the month. So I want to get 5 clients, I want to get 6 clients. What I do is that I sit down. What do I need to do? I need to do cold outreach, or I need to run ads. So I need to set out my campaigns. I set out my campaigns, I start running ads. So I need to set out things that I want to do, and then the work that is required for me to do every single day for me to achieve whatever I want to achieve. This is one very good strategy that you can actually use, can actually invite in your old way. He says set smart brains. In as much as I use things that are like good and all of that, but what actually worked for me so far, and which is actually what I'm sharing, is the fact that I set out goals that I want to achieve, either big or if you are too big in my head, I don't care. I just set them out, and then the next thing I want to do is what are the work that is required for me to do to get to my end point. So that is what that matters. It's the work that requires that matters. So I break out this work and then I do them every single day to the end that at the end of 30 days, on the end of the 40 days I set out, I've achieved what I wanted to achieve. So this is actually what I want to do. Let's say, for example, you want to land a job, a remote job. Next, what you want to do is you want to put a platform where you can do to get a remote job. For example, you go on LinkedIn, we start applying every single day. We start reaching out to recruiters every single day for 21 days. For example, you can set out of 1 day, the next 21 days, I want to reach out to, let's say, the 100 recruiters. I want to do 10 a day. And it's also depending on you. And then every single day when you wake up, it's to the end that you send out 10 emails, or you submit 10 CVs to 10 recruiters, and to the end that at the end of these 21 days, you have landed the job. So this is like the basic strategy I used to use, and it has helped me so far. I'm just sharing it so you can actually copy it and it can work for you as well.